So this is Monday night. I forgot to post last night and film that we had the leftover turkey pie on Sunday night. Today is Monday. We are having the pasta with marinara and a roasted or a veggie, which I'm doing sauteed Brussels sprouts. So I just wanted to show you real quick. Let me turn the camera around and show you a fast and easy way to jazz up your bottled marinara sauce is to I put in a half a jar of prepared pesto. And all I do is mix this up and let it heat through for a minute or so. Throw some Parmesan on and it's good to go. So I'll show you when it's plated up. And here we have pesto pasta with marinara sauce and sauteed Brussels sprouts. I added a little bit of saved bacon grease to saute those in, and like I said, adding the half a jar of pesto to any plain marinara sauce really jazzes it up. So this is Monday night's dinner. Hello friends, it is Tuesday in week 1 of our pantry challenge. This morning I made the sourdough breakfast pizza for my husband. If you'd like me to show both breakfast and dinners, leave a comment below and let me know, and I'll start doing that in week 2. But for now, I made that for breakfast, and for dinner tonight is the tropical chicken, which I will show you here in a minute the components, and tropical chicken and rice and a veggie. So let me turn you around and show you what the components of that are. So what I have here is some long grain brown rice that I keep in, the focus is off. There we go. Long grain brown rice. I bought this in bulk and I keep it in one of my storage buckets with the gamma lid. We're going to be making a rice. Onions, of course. I'm taking advantage of some of the frozen things that I just bought, the peppers and onions. I have some lime juice because right now I don't have any lemon juice. I'm going to make sauteed green beans. My family just loves those. And another component of the chicken dish is pineapple and a few spices and things, and then of course, you know, the chicken. So I will show all of that while I am making it, so stay tuned. So it is Tuesday evening, March 1st, and it's our second day in our first week of the pantry challenge. And as promised, as I put on the meal plan, I am making the tropical chicken, and as a side dish, I am making sauteed green beans. So I'll show you. Right now, I'm sauteing up the chicken, and I'm trying to get some color on it. As you can see, I've already got the green beans going. I will have a full breakdown of how to do this recipe and a link where to find it in the description box at the bottom of this video. So stay tuned and I'll show you the finished product. And here is the finished product. Sauteed green beans with balsamic, cilantro lime rice, and the tropical chicken on top. Remember, stay tuned. I will have a link to this recipe and how to make it at the bottom of this video. See you tomorrow. Welcome back, friends. It is Wednesday, March 2nd of our first week of Pantry Challenge. This morning, remember, was bacon and eggs. The girls had some cereal or some leftover of the baked oatmeal that was in the fridge. I'm making sure to rotate all of that, and whenever anybody's hungry or needs a snack, I always push leftovers. Tonight on the meal plan was low carb pizza. I'm thinking you can hear in the background I have the bread machine going. The girls don't care for the low carb pizza, which is fine, so I'm making them their own regular pizza. So I have bread dough going, and I will show you that when it's done. But for us tonight, the adults, we are having low carb pizza, and I will show you. It is so easy, minimal ingredients, easy to do. This is literally all you need. I have some seasonings, a block of cream cheese, 2 different kinds of cheese. This is Parmesan, but you could very easily use Asiago, and I'm using Colby Jack. It could be mozzarella, it could be provolone, whatever you have. 2 eggs, a can of stewed tomatoes for topping, and then some salt and pepper. Literally, that is it, and you process it. And again, I will have this recipe posted down below where you can find it and everything else that's on the video this week. So stay tuned, and I will show you when I get this all wrapped up. So here we are back, dinner is ready, and let me show you what we've made. So here is the low carb pizza. This is baked, and I cut a slice. I had to take some pictures for a post. And then here is the pizza that I made the girls. This is an easy yeast crust to make, and it cuts up really well. It freezes really well. They really like it. So that combined with, you know, if you want to toss in a salad or a roasted veggie or whatever you have left over. We have those leftover sauteed green beans from the other night or last night, and I have some roasted broccoli that I have that I made 2 nights ago. So I mean, dinner's done, and it was a little over 30 minutes. I mean, I took advantage of the bread machine. Didn't intend to make that today, but that actually took a little bit longer than 30 minutes, but it did the work for me. So this is for Wednesday night, and I will see you tomorrow on Thursday. So we had a little bit of technical difficulty last night for Friday night, so I didn't get to film. I made the cracked chicken, and I did do that recipe on a previous video, and I will link that down below to that video if you want that recipe. Tonight is Saturday, and it's the other planned night of leftovers. So I will end this here, and Sunday, March 7th, I believe, I will post in the Facebook group another meal plan for that coming week. So stay tuned, and I'll see you for week 2 of Pantry Challenge of March 2022. Bye-bye.